I can't do this shit. Let's go home, man. Protect the back. Alright, let's put on some motivational music. Where the hood at? These are horrible squats, man. So ChatGPT has to go up to 250. Not today. Definitely not today. You can miss me with that. Oh! I'm an idiot. I thought I was going 250. This is just 200. Ain't nothing but a gangster party. You can tell what's coming. Motivation left me in LA, but discipline, that dragged me here. Bruh, that. Yay. Wrong way. I don't think that was the body part I was aiming for, you know? God. It's been a baptism of fire, but it's been good. It's been very, very good. I'll see you in the next video.
1, 2, 3 into the 4.